What's up, y'all? The weather is super spotty today, so we are gonna be doing some maintenance on the bike. This is how I clean my chain. It's super easy. I do it all by myself, and you only need a few tools. So learn how to do it yourself, save yourself some money. Let me show you. All right, let's get things started. First things first, if you do not have a rear paddock stand to get your rear tire off the ground, highly suggest getting one. It makes things way easier. Other than the rear stand, we're gonna need a couple things to get this job done. First up, chain cleaner. Next, you're gonna want a grunge brush. This makes things way easier, and it's only like $15. You're gonna need some microfiber towels. You can pick up a pack of these for pretty cheap almost anywhere. Last, you're gonna need some chain wax. This will be for the last step, and I'll have a link for everything in the description. We're gonna start with the chain cleaner. I'm gonna spray this on thoroughly and let it sit for about 60 seconds. Make sure your bike is in neutral and you can spin your back tire. Now we let it sit, and you should start to see some stuff dripping off, and it's gonna be super dirty. Now that that's been sitting, we're gonna use the grunge brush and break up all that excess dirt and grime. I'm gonna push on the inside of the chain. I'm gonna pull on the outside. I'm gonna push on the back. I'll also come over here and try to clean the inside part of the chain. So as you can see, there's still some dirt and grime left over on this chain, so I think we can do a little bit better. I'm gonna repeat that exact same process one more time. Well, that chain is looking a lot better. I'm gonna finish things up with the microfiber towel. So there's no real rhyme or reason to this. I'm just gonna be wiping down the chain, trying to get all the excess dirt and grime off, trying to dry it up before we apply the chain wax. Try to get all sides. And push on the inside, push on the outside. Your towel should start to get pretty dirty, so switch to a different side. So I want to make sure and get all different sides of the chain, so I'm going to try to get some different angles. I'm just going to keep wiping it down until it looks almost clean. And before the final step of applying chain wax, I'm going to clean the whole bike. Now I'm going to use Motul Shine and Go with a microfiber towel to get rid of water spots and make the bike shine. All right, well, the bike is looking pristine. Last step, we are gonna apply the chain wax. This just helps your chain last longer and not get all rusty. So we're just going to apply enough. You don't have to apply a whole lot, but just get it evenly coated across the whole entire chain. And once you see a clean coating on the chain, you're just gonna keep rotating the wheel a little bit, work it on in every groove, and you're done. All right, guys, well, that is how you clean the chain on your motorcycle. Don't overcomplicate things, make it super easy. You wanna do this pretty routinely, almost every 500 or so miles. Keep that chain in tip-top shape. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. I'll have links in the description for everything that I've used, and we will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.